Hey guys, so let's continue with our top 5 Java interview questions on OOP concept. Previously, we have covered what is OOP, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction. So if you have missed any of the video, I would request you to go back and watch these videos in a sequence to get a more and better understanding of the concept. Our last topic is what is polymorphism. In an interview, you will definitely be asked this question. So be ready for that. Poly means many and morphism means form. So together polymorphism means ability to take more than one form. In an interview, telling the definition won't help us to crack the interview. We would need to give extra and in-depth detail of the concept. So you will try to take initiative and tell the interviewer that there are two types of polymorphism. One is compile time polymorphism, also known as early binding and static binding. Second is runtime polymorphism, also known as late binding, dynamic binding. What is the difference between these two is whenever you are writing a program, first you will try to compile the program. Once it is compiled successfully, then only you will be able to execute the program. So whatever happening at the compile time is called early and static, and whatever happening at the runtime is called as late and dynamic binding. So our next point is how to achieve them. Okay, so compile time polymorphism is achieved using overloading concept, and runtime polymorphism is achieved using overriding concept. To do overloading and overriding, there are certain rules. For overloading, the rules are by changing the number of parameters in a method, by changing the order of parameters in a method, and by using different types of parameters. So these three ways can be used to achieve overloading concept. Whereas to achieve overriding concept, what we need to do is that method must have the same name as the parent method. Method must have the same parameter as the parent parameter. As you are seeing a word parent, what it helps us to understand that there must be is a relationship, that is inheritance. For inheritance, we have already covered. I would definitely request you to go and watch my previous video. Let's take an example of method overloading and method overriding. How do we do method overloading? This is a class overloading concept. I have written one method addition, which is expecting two parameters of type integer. I have overloaded the addition method twice. Okay, in my second method I am using two parameters but of type double. In my third method I am using three parameters of type integer. In my main method, when I'm calling addition three times, but Java checks what is the type of parameter. So here the type is integer, so it will straight away go and execute my first method. In my second line 21, Java knows that 20.5 is not integer, it is of type double. It will go and execute my second method. Third time, Java will know that three parameters are expected, so it will definitely go and execute the method addition on line 14. And that's the reason in a console we get these three output: addition of two integer, double, and integers. Okay. Coming to method overriding, for method overriding, we know that we need is a relationship. So we have a parent class manufacturing industry and we have a child class Apple industry. Here extends is used to do inheritance between these two classes. Again, our parent class method mobile phone is the same as that of our child class method mobile phone. Okay, in my third class, method overriding concept, what I am doing is that inside my main method, I have created an object of Apple industry. That is my child class. And with that object, when I am trying to call mobile phone method, it is executing the mobile phone method of my child class Apple industry. Okay, you must be wondering what I have written here. But in IT world, in an industry, mostly whenever you are creating an object of the child class, you will always try to hold it in a parent class type. Here our parent class is manufacturing industry, which is holding new Apple industry object, the object of our child class. With that, if I again call mobile phone industry, my child class method will only get executed. So if you go to the console and you will see both the times mobile phone method of Apple industry class, that is our child class, is executed. If you want to know this concept, let me know in a comment section, and in my next video I will tell you what is the concept behind the same. So I hope method overloading and method overriding concept is cleared. I hope these 5 questions will definitely help you to crack your interview. I wish you all the very best, guys. If you want to know some more interview tips and questions around multi-threading, inheritance, or collection topic, there are so many topics in the Java. Please do let me know in my comment section. Please do like, subscribe our channel, and share it with all your friends. Bye.